Hey guys, it's Corey from Corey Survival. Today I'm going to be showing you how to drift a drop shot rig in a creek. I don't know if you guys remember my last video on how to use a drop shot rig, but I believe in my last video I actually had two hooks. I'm just doing a single hook just because I'm fishing in a stream and I'm not in a lake. But I've just got a little sinker here. You want to kind of go to a smaller sinker when you're doing a creek because you want the current to drift your bait down the stream. This is usually only meant to cast upstream. So pretty much you're just rolling the bait in front of the fish's mouth. And this is also mainly for trout. You can do this for bass and catfish and like big rivers if you want, but I find this a lot easier in a stream. This stream here, it's mainly got brook trout in it. There's some brown trout and some rainbows. I haven't caught very many, but I'm gonna see if I can't land one for you guys. If you look in the stream up here, see how it's got like that little waterfall there? And then it kind of comes down and it gets a little bit soft and then it gets very calm right here in front of me here. What you want to do is when you cast your bait, you're casting upstream, but you want to cast into the current so the current drifts your bait down. Now where you cast your bait is right when you notice the stream gets calm. I've heard of even people casting like right in the white part of the water, like where you notice there's white like ripples and stuff. Fish like to hide out in there sometimes, but majority of the time they're going to be in the pool. These brook trout aren't really that big, they're just really fun to catch. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cast it like right there, right in front of that rock there. And I'm just going to move it slowly downstream. Ooh, I'm already getting a bite. There's one. Alrighty. You see here? They're really tiny fish, but they're very beautiful and very colorful. Now, the only reason why you guys notice this different scenery with this video is I'm actually camping today, camping for the weekend, and the creek that runs through here, and I do a lot of fishing in this stream. Another cool thing about the drop shot rig is if your worm's still on there, you can just pretty much straighten it up a little bit. That's all you got to do. Let's see if we can't get a second one. Ooh, that was a bite. There we go. Another one there. Very beautiful. I love that white. Whoop. Grab him again here. The white that's on that fin there. I love how that looks. Very beautiful fish. Another little brookie. Oh, I keep getting bites. Need another worm. Another little one. Very tiny. There we go. I'm throwing them at my girlfriend. But there's a nice brook trout there.
Look at those hands.
Yeah, my hands are all dirty. Oh, if you guys want to see me, let him go here. There he is. There he goes. All right, let's see if we can't get another one. Alrighty, I'm gonna head back to the campground. It's getting a little bit dark. I'm actually gonna continue this video tomorrow, so stick with me to this next scene here. I'm back out here this morning. As you can see, it's raining. It's a little wet. I just hope it doesn't get any worse than this, because I can handle this just fine. But just cast right up in there in the stream. This is my first time fishing today. Already starting to take some bites. Usually when it's raining, I find it to be actually a lot better fishing. Fish are really active. I kind of think sometimes the raindrops are bugs hitting the surface. You'll see a lot of fish kind of surface and catch the raindrops, which is kind of funny. So they're kind of all in like a little feeding frenzy if you think about it. You can cast downstream. You work it back slowly and shake your bait, working it back. There was a fly fisherman down here earlier today, so he might have fished this out already. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and move down to that deeper stream. I'll be right back. A little brookie here. Look at those colors though. I like it better in the daytime. You can see it a little bit better. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Alrighty. Still have my worm. I'll get a new one. He demolished it pretty good, so. It's taken me a minute to catch a fish. After that rain cleared up and whatnot, I finally decided to bite. So I'm pretty sure they were hiding underneath the bridge over there. A little brookie there. Just pulled him out of this little area right over here. Here's one. Calm down there. Another nice brown trout. It's a little scraped up because he was in the creek. Woo! A lot of times when they go over rocks and stuff, they get a little scraped up. But it's just their way of life. Alright, we're gonna go, my bad. We're gonna go and hit a deeper pool just a little bit upstream, closer to the campground, and I'll be right back. This pool I was talking to you guys about, that was more upstream. All I'm gonna do is just cast right into the current and keep up with it as it's going down. I already got one. Oh, this one's decent. It's a decent little brown. Let's bring him up here. There we go. Just cast upstream and keep up with it. Get it out of his mouth here. Come on. There's the trout for you guys. Let's go and get the release on him.
Oh, I dropped him.
Yeah, he's swimming away. Here, I'll help him. There he goes. The fish in this stream are very strong. They take off so quick. Another one. It's a nice brook trout. Just get this hook out of his mouth. Whoop. Oop, he got away. He got away. Oh, it's a little one. Ooh, calm down, fishy. Stop your squirming. There we go. There we go, little brookie. Getting a little bit wet out here. I'm gonna head back to the campground and get all dried up. If you guys like this video, go and hit that like button. Ask a question or comment. I'm always up to hear from you guys. I do things like this every week. I also do a lot of outdoor survival tips and tricks. So if you guys are into that type of stuff, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'd like to have you guys a part of my community. Until next time, keep living, keep fishing, and I'll see you guys in the next video.